Okay guys, we got my order with a Plasti Dip in HYPERSHIFT ZTN in a high gloss. I'm gonna jet wash it to show you guys you can jet wash Plasti Dip. A lot of people get mistaken saying you can't jet wash it. Of course, you got the autoflex, it's gonna be much stronger, can go close to it. But when you don't have the autoflex, all you have to do is jet wash it from far. But what the mistake people do, they take it to normal car wash and they just go crazy with it and they rip the Plasti Dip. So this way, I'm gonna show you can do it yourself. Take it to go to normal jet wash and you can jet wash the car yourself. I'm going to be using the snow foam also, so keep watching guys and learn from this. Okay guys, as you guys see, I jet washed the car. It's perfectly fine, no problems whatsoever, no peeling, nothing at all. So when people say you can't jet wash the car, they're wrong. You can jet wash it, just don't take to car wash because they use all sorts of chemicals, TFRs, etc., which damage your Plasti Dip. So if you got a high gloss, you can go close like I did, but if you haven't got the high gloss, you just jet wash it from far. Use the same procedure. So that's pretty much guys. I hope you guys learn from this how to jet wash a car when it's Plasti Dip. So enjoy guys, I'll see you on the next video.